Have you ever seen a real elf? Me neither. Do you think elves are big or small? Small. What's smaller than small? Tiny. Okay, point to your nose. Elves have a tiny nose and pointy ears. Take your hands and put them behind your ears to look like an elf.
Wow!
What color do elves wear? Green or blue? Green. Wonderful. Okay, we know what they look like. Where do these tiny elves live? It's someplace really cold and snowy. The North Pole. Let's go on an adventure to the North Pole. Better bundle up. Put on your imaginary jacket. Put on your snow boots. Wrap a cozy scarf around your neck. Put on your gloves. And don't forget your hat. We're ready to go on this elf hunt. Everybody stand up and start marching in place. Lift your knees and swing your arms back and forth.
We're going on an elf hunt, we'll find a tiny one. We're going on an elf hunt, the North Pole, here we come.
Look, it's starting to snow. Can you catch the snowflakes? Grab that one up high. Catch that one over there. Catch that snowflake on your tongue. Look, there's an icy pond. How are we going to get over it? Let's slide across it like you're ice skating. Slide your feet from side to side and skate over the ice. Whoa, it's slippery. Don't fall. Let's continue this elf hunt. We're getting closer.
We're going on an elf hunt, we'll find a tiny one. We're going on an elf hunt, the North Pole, here we come.
It's getting really snowy and stormy now. Push your way through this snowstorm. Keep pushing. We're almost there. I think we're getting close now. Brrr, is it cold? Shiver around and do your silliest dance. Shake around and act cold. Keep dancing to get warmer. Look, there's the workshop. Can you believe it? We finally made it to the North Pole.
We're going on an elf hunt, we'll find a tiny one. We're going on an elf hunt, the North Pole, here we come.
Tiptoe quietly into the workshop. Get on your tippy toes and be very quiet. We don't want to get caught. Look, there they are, the green tiny elves. They have a tiny nose and pointy ears.
Wow!
And they all have different jobs. Some are building, painting, and sewing. Those elves over there are wrapping lots of toys and gifts. Christmas is coming soon, and everyone is very hard at work. Oh, look, it's Santa Claus. But we don't want to get caught, or we'll end up on the naughty list. Quick, run out of the workshop. Run, 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 faster, faster. Brrr, is it cold? Do your silly dance. Push through the snowstorm. Skate across the icy pond. Look, the snow is slowly stopping. We must be getting close. Phew, there's our house. We made it safely back home. Hope Santa and the elves didn't see us. That was a super fun adventure to the North Pole to find the elves. Thanks for joining us. We can't wait for Christmas.
Merry Christmas to all, and to all a good night.